Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Roblox, whether you are a returning player or logging in for the first time on a new device. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Roblox app on your phone. And here, you will see the login and sign up options. Since we are logging in, tap on Login. Now, it's time to enter your account details. First, you will need to type in your username here. If you forgot your password, you have to simply tap on Forgot Password or Username. And now, simply type in your password here. Make sure you're using correct login details that you used when creating your Roblox account. After entering your details, hit the login button. If everything is correct, you will be logged in and directed to the Roblox homepage where you can start playing your favorite games. And that's it. You are now logged in to Roblox and ready to play. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.